afternoon all. Good afternoon. Very, very good afternoon. Don't speak in Malayalam. Speak in English. No. Did you eat? Yes, yes. Good. Why? 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 Not ready? After this class. Okay, very good. After this class. Oh, very good. Okay. Let me start now. Are you ready for the class? Yes or no? Devapriya, Mole, please on your video. Avedya, tell me what happened, Molu? Ask. Onnuilla. Don't say Malayalam. Nothing. You can say nothing. Okay. Are you ready for the class? Yes or no? Yes. Eh? Ready for the class? Let me start now. Are you ready? Take out your textbook. Yes, yes. Very good. Very good. Take out your textbook. Then I want to say something I forgot. Please put present. Please put present. Once again, you have to put present. Otherwise, I will put absent. So, please put present. Okay. Okay. Please put present. First, you have to put present. Otherwise, I will put absent in your register book. In your attendance book, I will put absent. If you put present, I will put present. Okay. Don't forget that. Please put everyone present. Okay, finish. Let me start now. Are you ready? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Now, which subject? We have to study which subject now? Say the answer. Which English. Now we can study. Very good. Now we can study which subject? English. So we have to speak. So we have to speak Malayalam or English. English. Very good. Now we have. Okay. Now, okay. Now. Yes, yes. How are you? Miss, how are you? Fine. I am fine. Thank you. Please don't make so much noise. Listen carefully. Then only you can write. Okay. Please listen here. Listen carefully. Otherwise, you cannot hear. Don't be alone, Ullas. Sit properly. I told you na how to sit in the class. Sit properly. Okay. Ready? Are you ready for the class? Yes. Yes. Did you understand? Say, I want to say something. Did you understand my class? Yes or no? Say. Did you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, I am very happy. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Yes. Yes. Then, now, see, don't make so much noise. Okay. If you make so much noise, I cannot hear, you cannot hear. So, don't make so much noise. Please sit properly in the class. Now, last class, what we learned? Already we finished. Already we finished exercise, read and understand. Already we finished. Write yes or no question. Yes or no question. The children are in school. No. The children are in the park. Yes. The children, sorry. Jaya has a box of crayons. Yes or no? Yes or no? No. They draw a tree. Yes or no? Yes. They draw a tree. Yes or no? Yes. The color of the tree, yellow. Yes or no? No. Color of the, which color tree? Green. Okay. They draw a red butterfly. Yes or no? They draw a red butterfly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then now listen here. Once again, I will say the children are in school. No, the children are in the park. Yes. Jaya has a box of crayons. No.
No.
Who have box of crayons?
Um,
Who have?
Soya.
Very good. Very good, Abhirami. Okay, Zoya. Then they, very good. They draw a tree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? They draw a tree. Yes.
Yes.
The color of the tree yellow. Yes or no?
No. No.
What is the, sorry. Please keep quiet, children. They draw a red butterfly. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Listen here. Write one. Please don't make so much noise. Only one time you can say the answer. Otherwise, very difficult for me also, for you also. So one time you can say the answer. Okay. You are a good student. No? You are outstanding student. So you can listen here. You have to listen here. Okay. Write second exercise. Write one. If you have textbook, look at the textbook. If you don't have textbook, look at the screen. Write one word answers for these questions. Only you have to write one word answer. Only answer you have to write. No need to write full question also. Only you have to write the answer. Question number one. Question number one. What does Sam have? What does Sam have?
Big sheet of paper.
Okay, paper. Then what does Soya have?
Blocks of crayons.
Crayons. Is it? You can say crayons. Oh, sorry. Crayons. What color are the flowers? What color are the flowers? Huh? Pink color. What color? Pink color. Okay. Pink. If you have textbook, you can write. What? Complete the picture. What? Complete the pictures. Children. Very good. You can say the answer. Very good. See. Look at the screen. If you have textbook, you can write like that. If you don't have textbook, look here. You can write in your notebook this much. This much enough. If you have textbook, you can write in your textbook. Okay. What does Sam have? Sam have. What does Sam have? Paper. What does Soya have? Don't play there. Sit properly. Look here. It's completed now. Last class I told you now. Okay. Then play with words. We can play with words. See, Match the words with the colors. Look here. Butterfly. First word you can see here. Butterfly. 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 Which color?
Red.
Red. See, you can draw the line like this. Like this, you can draw. Butterfly. First one, butterfly. Like this, red color. You can draw. Okay. Here, butterfly. Then you can write like this. You can draw the line like this. See, or you can take the pencil. You take the pencil and do it like that. See, butterfly here, red color here. Did you understand?
Yes.
Please draw. See, first word butterfly. 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 Butterfly which color? Red color butterfly. Then see, red crayons is here. Red pencil is here. Red crayon. Then you can write. Draw the line like this. See, here butterfly. Draw the line like this. Finish.
Yes.
Please open yours. Then second one you see butterfly red. Then trunk. 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 Trunk which color? Trunk which color? Brown. Where is brown? Where is brown? See, brown is here. See, brown is here. You can draw the line like this. Don't make so much noise. You have to do your work. Trunk is here. Trunk. Then draw the line like this. Trunk. Then third one, sun. sun. What is the color of the sun? Enough. Yellow crayons is here. See, like this, draw the line. Here, you have to start from here. Sun is here. You have to start from here, then like this here. Is it clear? Then fourth one, leaves. Leaves. What is the color of the leaves? Where is green color? See, leaves here, green color. Draw the green. See, like this. Once again, I will say. Listen here. First one, butterfly. What is the color of the butterfly? Red. Here, you can draw one line like this. Second one, trunk. Trunk which color? Brown color. Brown. Here, brown. You start from here. What is the color of the sun? Yellow color. Where is yellow color? Yellow color. Yellow color is here. Then what is the color of the leaf? Green. What is the color of the leaf? Green. What is the color of the leaf? Green. What is the color of the sun?
Yellow.
What is the color of the sun? What is the color of the leaves?
Happy birthday,
What is the color of the butterfly? Okay, red butterfly. Now you know, today different activity already we finished. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt? Yes. Then once again listen. Please keep quiet, children. Please keep quiet. Bhavika, what happened, Molo? Any doubt? No. Okay. Okay, once again, teacher will say the activities. Read and understand. Write yes or no questions. Only you have to say yes or no. That much enough. Okay. Please keep quiet first. The children are in. Look at the screen or look at the textbook. Don't play there. The children are in school. Yes or no? No. The children are in the park. Yes. Yes. Jaya has a box of crayons. Yes or no? Who have a box of crayons? Soya. Okay. The color of the tree yellow. They draw a tree. They draw a tree. Yes or no? They draw a red butterfly. Yes or no? Like this, you have to write in your textbook. You can see the screen or textbook. See. Then write one word answers for these questions. What does? Please keep quiet, all of you. If you make so much noise, how can I teach you? If you make so much noise, how can I teach you? I cannot teach. Please, we are very outstanding children, no? Sit quietly. You are very nice kids. I know you are outstanding children. So, you have to sit quietly. Okay. Gayatri, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good. You are very nice children. Then Sarga, Molu, listen here. Okay. All of you listen here. Look here. Look at the textbook. Once again, I will read. See, already our lesson is completed. Now, one more exercise is there. 1 minute. Now our English what fun lesson number what fun exercise. These exercises are completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Once again, I will say, what does Sam have? What does Sam have? Paper. What does Sam have? Paper. What does Soya have? Crayon. What does Soya have? Crayons. What does Soya have? Crayons. What color are the flowers? What color are the flowers? What color are the flowers? Pink color. Krishna Molo. Look here. Listen here. Abhirami. Parvana, Dhyan, Ahsab. Angel, Adal, Cyril, Diona. Samjana, Alon, Shansa. Midlaj. Midlaj, eh? Midlaj, you cannot attend the morning class. Midlaj. Ah, okay. Okay. Then, once again, see, Butterfly, first word, match the words with the colors. First word, what? How can you read? Butterfly. Can you read this one? Butterfly. Butterfly which color? Red color. Butterfly which red color. Then second one, trunk. Trunk, which color trunk? Brown. What is the color of the sun? Third word, sun. S-U-N. See? Spelling you can see. S-U-N. Sun you can see here.
Yellow.
What is the color of the sun? Yellow color. Don't forget where we can see the sun. Where we can see sun. Where we can see the sun. Can you say the answer? Where? In the sky. Is it clear? Okay, good. Then leaves. What is the color of the leaves? Leaves color green. See, green. Did you understand? Please mute your audio. Then you can speak. Otherwise, I can hear what you are telling. Then, now our lesson exercise completed. Once again, I will teach you this lesson. Please listen carefully. Once again, I will read this lesson. Next time, I will not read. Just will be no mono. Look here. Look at the textbook. Okay. 1 minute. Don't play there. Wait. Okay. Once again, I will read this lesson. Next, just will be no. What are you doing, Mono? Then Sam, Soya, and Jaya are friends. They are in the park. They are in the park. I have a big sheet of paper. Sam told, I have a big sheet of paper. I have a box of crayons. Soya told, I have a box of crayons. Oh, let us draw a tree. Jaya told, let us draw. Priyanka, what are you doing, Priyanka? Look here, Molu. Oh, let us draw a tree, Jaya told. The next page, I want to color the leaves green. What is the color of the leaves? Green. We can color the trunk brown. We can color the trunk brown. Let us draw a red butterfly. Let us draw a red butterfly. Let us draw a pink flowers. Already they decided. They draw a tree, draw a red butterfly, pink flowers. Let us draw the sun. Let us draw the sun. Sun also is ready. Oh, what a lovely picture. Yes, oh, lovely picture. Wait, something is missing. Something is missing. Yes, something is missing. What missing? Children. Yes, there are no children. Something is missing. They understood. Yes, there are no children. Don't play there. I can see. Listen here. Oh, what a lovely picture. Wait, something is missing. Yes, there are no children. Without children, oh, not good. See, now our see, children are here. See, now our picture is complete. Now our picture is complete. Sun, red, yellow color sun, red butterfly, tree, pink flowers, children also. Now the picture is complete. Our picture is complete. Then write yes or no questions. This already I told many time I told. Once again I will say the children are in school. No, the children are in the park. Yes, the children are in the park. Yes. Jaya has a box of crayons. Jaya has a box of crayons. No. Who have crayons? Soya has a box of crayons. The color of the tree, yellow. No. The color of the tree, yellow? No. They draw a red butterfly. Yes, they draw a red butterfly. Then write one word answers for these questions. See, four questions is here. You can see the textbook or you can see the screen. What does Sam have? What does Sam have? Paper. What does Soya have? Crayons. What color are the flowers? Which color? Pink color. What completes the picture? Children. Then let's see exercise number C. Match the words with the colors. See, butterfly, trunk, sun, leaves. Leaves color green. You can draw the line like this. Sun color yellow. Butterfly red. Trunk brown. Is it clear? Now our lesson is completed. Any doubt? You can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Shansa, what Molo? Ask me. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Miss, crazy writing എഴുതണോ?
I will say, okay, wait. Do you have cursive writing book? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
today you can start. Okay, write on the date up. Then write on the date up. Write neatly. You know cursive writing?
Yes.
Yes. Then you have to write. Okay, any doubt?
How many?
How many page? Only one page you can write. Okay. No need to write more. Next class, after this class, I will say. Okay. After this class, I will say to your, I will inform you in your WhatsApp group. Isn't clear? Yes or no? Yes. Gayatri understood? Yes. Muhammad Saad also. See, I want to say something. After this class, I will inform you about the cursive letters. How to write, how many pages, how many words, like that. I will say. Okay, after this class, I will inform you. In your WhatsApp group is there now? Then I will inform. Then today work finished. You have to write neatly. Write neatly. That is very important. Then next Monday means not today, today Monday, no. Next Monday, English test will be next Monday. English test will be next Monday. Okay. Are you ready for the test also? Yes or no? Hey.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for the test? Yes. Ready for the test?
Yes.
Yes. Not today, next Monday. Only small question and answer. Only few questions I will put. Yes or no question and one word question. And one more. Next class, next Monday, English test will be on next Monday. After this class, I will inform you date also. Then only yes or no question and one word question. That much. Okay.
Monday.
Next Monday,
My time is
you going? Where are you going? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? Any doubt about this lesson? No?
yeah.
No. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Ah, English. You have to speak in English. I love you so
Yes.
much. I love you so much. You have to speak in English. Slowly, you can speak in English. Okay. Ma'am also telling slowly, no? Ma'am also speaking slowly. Is it clear?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
if you know
Yes.
English, you have to speak in
Miss,
English. You can study how to read, how to speak.
miss,
Ah, yes. Ask me.
I love you too.
Oh, I love you
Monday,
too.
which
Okay,
section?
okay. Thank you. I love you
I
all.
love you, Sunny.
Okay. Thank you. Any doubt, anytime you can ask me. I will help you. If you don't, next class, next Monday, no? 2 periods are there. Morning and afternoon. Then morning, you have to read the lesson also. Ready for reading? Are you ready for reading?
Yes.
Yes. Next
Listen.
class, not today, next class, reading also. I will conduct. You have to read this lesson. I will call your name. You have to read.
Listen.
Oh,
Exam. Which exam?
English,
Words.
not words. Yes or no question and one words answers. Today we wrote no. Maybe I will
Yes.
ask what does Sam have? You have to write the answer paper.
Okay, thanks, miss.
Ready? Nigel, Mone, on your video. Mono, please on your video, Nigel. Adal Cyril also on your video. Did you understand? If any doubt, you can ask me. Adal Cyril on your video. Okay, net problem, I think so. Shansa, okay. Put present there. Don't forget that put present. Then you know. Now this lesson completed. Next class, little match the columns also is here. That we can do next class. Okay. Alone, Josephine. Okay, did you understand my class? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Oh, very good. No doubt, no? Yeah. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Time is
Bye.
over. Next class we can see. Oh, bye bye. Oh, bye bye. Okay, thank you, miss. I love you. I love you. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Bye bye. Time is over now. See you in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.